Hello everybody, my name is Gavin Hughes and today I'll be focusing on the business management career field. In today's presentation we're going to go ahead and look at the different opportunities that are at one's disposal when pursuing a degree in business management, the different requirements, whether they may be basic or more advanced, and what steps can be taken to further your education. Starting off, we're going to look at some potential opportunities. Now before I begin to share, these are just some of the few opportunities that can be pursued. Definitely not limited to the three that I have decided to focus on. First, we have human resource management, managing the human capital. That means pretty much recruiting any new talent for a company, herding employees through the hiring process, making sure they get paid, handling benefits, and in some cases, unfortunately, letting people go. Sales, overseeing a sales team to distribute goods. Imports arrive and new businesses pop up offering a service, and as a business manager in sales, you would be in charge of maintaining the commerce that comes in and out relating to sales. And finally, we have operations management, planning, organizing, and overseeing the productions of goods. This can sort of be intertwined with sales, but this is more primarily focused on like I said, the planning, organizing, and overseeing of the production. The field is responsible for making sure everything runs efficiently, products are delivered on time, and output meets demand. Moving on, we're going to look at some basic requirements for the field of business management. Like I said prior, these are only a few of what can be done. Obviously, there are others that can benefit oneself to be a better manager, but these are the three that I believe that were the most crucial to one's success. Focusing on leadership, business managers are leaders above everything else. They build teams, they foster the environment for these teams to grow and produce successful outcomes. And of course this sounds easy just talking about it, but it's very difficult to master and practice. Balancing personality types, resolving or circumventing conflicts, and finding creative solutions to problems can be some of the tasks that are required for leadership. Next, we have time management. As a business manager, you are constantly pulled in different directions, as many people will look up to you. So being able to analyze your time wisely can mean the difference between staying on top of problems, making sure things don't spiral out of control. And finally, strategic thinking. Great business managers are always looking at the big pictures and thinking a few steps ahead. So having that foresight to keep employees on task is definitely a key requirement for becoming a business manager. Now you may be thinking, well, what can I do in the shoes of a student that can help benefit my future of becoming a business manager? I've got three things lined up. Choosing the right school to pursue for your future. Personally, I'm pursuing operational management, and I'm going to graduate with my associates this May. So finding highly accredited business schools would be beneficial. Like, for example, I've been looking at ASU and their business school to see how I could benefit personally, and of course looking beyond that, how it may benefit my future career, as well as picking the right degree. Of course, there are many different types of business degrees that you could choose from, and considering the requirements, like we had said before, the requirements, well, what I had listed, are very few from what the real world has to offer. So making sure that you're attentive to what certain businesses would be looking for and certain soft skills that you personally should work on definitely would benefit your success in the field. As we wrap everything up here, I just want you to consider where you see yourself in the field. Obviously, there are many different types of business managers that you could become. For example, computer and information systems managers, sales managers, financial managers. These are only few from the many different types of managers you could become, but there are definitely something that you would find in your field of interest. and then weighing in the different choices for each degree. Like I had stated before, I'm pursuing my associates in operational management, just to kind of get my foot in the door, get a basic understanding for business management. And the plan is just to work with a company to potentially have them send me back to school to pursue my bachelor's. And then down the line, depending on how well I do, or say you do, if you were to do the same thing, you could then decide whether or not master's would be something that you would personally gain from finding that you found the correct business management degree that you wish to pursue in the future. Thank you.